All right, so we often get the question as to how long is something going to take. Again, depending on the specific procedure, but oftentimes someone looking for a smile makeover, it's just a few short weeks where we prepare the teeth, we utilize crown and bridge, specifically oftentimes zirconia crowns for durability and strength. And when we get done at that 3 to 4 week period, people often remark it made them look 10 years younger, which is a very, very obviously positive result and something that people really do want to have done. So again, we get questions about do I want veneers or do I want crown and bridge, or specifically crowns. Again, the crowns cover the entire tooth. Sometimes we call a crown a 360-degree veneer, which just means that why would we want to neglect, in some cases, the inside portion of the tooth just because we don't see it, right? We're going to get more strength, we're going to get more durability by completely covering the tooth. And again, that's at a certain point in time, at a certain age of the patient, a certain point where, wear and tear has taken its toll, and now we have to restore. And that is generally the best case scenario in order to really enhance someone's smile. In order to really achieve the result that you're looking for, it's highly recommended you come into one of our BayView Dental offices, sit down with our experts, and go over the myriad of different treatments that are available. And it is our goal for you to achieve exactly what you're looking for. We want to fit it into your budget, we want to fit it into your lifestyle, and we just want to make you smile.